We got people know that God's not dead. He's roaring like a lion, but he roars to his people, you and me. People mess up, they go, well, this is what they does to you. Well, I can't be used because I got sin in my life. I've fallen, I can't get up. You fall down, you get back up again. You mess up, you confess your sin. Satan's job is to keep you where you are. You know why, guys? Because he knows you're useless. He wants to remind you what you did last night. Or like that movie, what you did last summer. You saw it. Don't act like you didn't see that movie. I know you did. We all did. But truthfully, guys, 1 John 1:9, if we confess our sins, if, keyword, free will, if we confess our sins, he, God, is faithful, he, God, is just to forgive us our sins and cleanse us from all the dirty. Clap for that good news. You know what God said? And God is all-knowing, all-powerful. God, so we confess our sins, he physically, spiritually, he cannot remember them anymore. They're gone. But you know who remembers those sins? You and Satan. You and Satan, me and Satan. Let him go, shake it off. Walk in forgiveness. Okay? And every morning you wake up, remember one thing. God's mercies and graces are new every day, guys. Take advantage of them. They are free coupons. Take a look here. Put them in your bag, your lunchbox, your purse, your wallet. Because you're going to need them all day long, baby. You come here, you're not saved. It's simple. You're tired of crazy old mundane life and dragging that sin back behind you. It smells like junk anyway. Ask God to forgive you, save you, change you, give you destiny, hope, give you a future. And one day, turns down, when you go to die, and you will spend eternity in a place, check this name out, in a place called heaven. With all believers, forever, and ever, and ever, and ever, and ever, and ever. Because our God is mighty to save, and you, my friend, have been born again.
Having trouble even looking at me.